Hello guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will give a tutorial how to make new playlist on Spotify. First, we open the Spotify and we press on the Your Library. In Your Library, we press on the top right corner, side plus logo, and we press playlist. And now in here, we will type the name of our new playlist. I can type my favorite and I press create to create the playlist. In here, we already make the playlist and we can press add to this playlist and we can add the songs. Here we can press to add the songs to our playlist, or we can search a new song here to add to our playlist. Or while you hear the song, you can press the plus logo in here to add to the playlist. Here you can press change and you can check on the our new playlist, my favorite, and we press done and this song will add to our new playlist. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you and we will see you again in my next video.